Empower weight loss with these herbal allies. Go, Janet.
Janet here of Telby Center. Herbal Allies, the science of weight loss for every health state. Unveiling the power of herbal allies for weight loss, herbs offer a gentle yet powerful approach to weight management, sans the crash diets and hardcore calorie counting. Working in tune with your body's rhythms, herbs provide customizable solutions that target the root factors behind weight gain, be it hormones, metabolism, stress, or gut health. In a world where weight loss trends come and go, one timeless approach stands strong, harnessing the potential of herbal allies. From metabolism boosters to appetite suppressants, nature has provided us with a diverse range of herbs that can support weight loss journeys across various health states. This blog post dives into the science behind using herbal remedies to aid weight loss, offering insights tailored to different health conditions and needs. When it comes to losing weight, there is no one-size-fits-all solution. Factors like hormonal imbalances, stress levels, gut health, and metabolism play key roles in weight management. The good news is that herbs offer customizable and holistic strategies to target each of these areas. By understanding the science behind different herbal allies, we can nurture our body's innate wisdom and create tailored weight loss plans. Let's explore some of the most powerful herbal allies for conquering weight loss in a safe, sustainable, and science-backed way. 1. Understanding herbal metabolism boosters for weight management. Metabolism is at the crux of weight management, determining how efficiently our body converts food into energy or stores it as fat. When metabolism is sluggish, it becomes harder to shed excess weight. Thankfully, some potent herbs contain compounds that gently boost metabolism. Exploring thermogenic herbs. Certain herbs contain active ingredients that increase thermogenesis, your body's internal heat production and calorie burn. Known as thermogenic herbs, their compounds stimulate metabolism, enhance fat oxidation, and minimize fat storage. Some prime examples include capsaicin from chili peppers. This compound elevates thermogenesis and lipid oxidation. Research shows capsaicin can increase fat burn by up to 150 calories per day. Green tea extract. Abundant in catechins like EGCG, green tea extract boosts norepinephrine, a hormone that heightens thermogenesis and metabolic rate. Studies demonstrate enhanced fat burning and weight loss with green tea supplementation. Bitter orange extract. Containing synephrine alkaloids, bitter orange extract raises metabolism through mechanisms like increased calorie expenditure and fat breakdown. However, it's vital to be cautious with dosage due to potential side effects. By raising our metabolic furnace and enhancing fat burn, these thermogenic herbs can accelerate calorie expenditure and weight loss. Their effects are amplified when combined with exercise. Those struggling with a sluggish metabolism can benefit from adding them to their regimen. Considerations for sluggish metabolisms. If you suspect a sluggish metabolism is hindering your weight loss, take a look at your thyroid health. An underactive thyroid, hypothyroidism, slows down metabolism. Herbs that potentially boost thyroid function include ashwagandha, bladderwrack, and shilajit. However, consult a doctor first before using such herbs, especially if on thyroid medication. Ensuring adequate sleep, reducing stress, and minimizing processed foods also helps rev up metabolism. Track your caloric intake and energy expenditure to get a clear picture. Once underlying issues are addressed, thermogenic herbs help ignite your metabolic potential. 2. Herbal appetite suppressants. A natural approach to portion control. If intense hunger and food cravings knock your weight loss off track, certain herbs can help suppress appetite and prevent overeating. By promoting satiety, they enable portion control naturally. The role of herbs in reducing appetite. Several herbs influence biological pathways involved in hunger signaling. Some prime examples include Hersinia cambogia. Its active compound hydroxycitric acid, HCA, increases serotonin levels, which controls appetite and emotional eating. Studies confirm its appetite-suppressing qualities. Leucomannan, a soluble fiber, leucomannan expands in the gut to reduce food intake. Clinical trials demonstrate it promotes weight loss by decreasing appetite. Fenugreek, containing the soluble fiber galactomannan, fenugreek suppresses appetite by slowing stomach emptying. Research highlights its potential for glycemic control and weight management. These herbs aid weight loss efforts by reducing the desire to snack frequently or overeat at meals. Their mechanisms include slowing digestion, stabilizing blood sugar, and modulating hunger-regulating hormones. Adapting herbal strategies for overeating. In some cases, overeating is emotionally driven rather than hunger-driven. Herbs like rhodiola and saffron may help by enhancing mood, alleviating stress, and controlling compulsive eating behavior. Begin by reflecting on your relationship with food. Do you eat out of stress or boredom? Addressing the root cause is key. Herbal appetite suppressants offer adjunct support when intense cravings threaten to sabotage your weight loss. Monitor dosage and consult your doctor before using appetite-reducing herbs long-term. 3. Balancing hormones and stress with herbal support for weight loss. Hormonal imbalances and high stress are common yet overlooked roadblocks to weight loss. The stress hormone cortisol signals the body to store fat, especially in the abdominal area. Adaptogenic herbs help normalize hormones and manage cortisol levels. Cortisol and weight gain. Elevated cortisol increases appetite, promotes fat accumulation around the organs, and makes weight loss an uphill battle. Adaptogenic herbs that regulate cortisol include rhodiola rosa. This herb modulates cortisol secretion and perceived stress. Rhodiola supplementation aids weight loss by controlling stress-related overeating. Ashwagandha, possessing anti-anxiety and anti-inflammatory properties. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol and helps manage stress-linked weight gain. Holy basil, also called tulsi, holy basil balances cortisol, reduces anxiety, and increases fat metabolism. Animal studies reveal its anti-obesity effects. By lowering cortisol, these adaptogens curb stress-induced overeating and comfort eating. Their metabolic and glucose balancing effects also promote weight control. Tailoring herbal interventions to hormonal imbalances. Look beyond cortisol to identify any hormonal imbalances hindering weight loss, like estrogen dominance or low testosterone. Adaptogenic herbs help counteract these. For example, shatavari balances female hormones while fenugreek raises testosterone levels. However, consult a doctor before using herbs to alter hormones. A holistic plan including diet changes, stress relief practices, and targeted herbs paves the path for weight loss. 4. Gut health and digestion. Herbal allies for a healthy microbiome. Emerging research reveals that a healthy gut microbiome is vital for regulating appetite, metabolism, and weight. Herbs that reduce inflammation and promote gut health serve as allies. Gut microbiota's influence on weight. The trillions of microbes residing in your gut influence the harvest and storage of energy from food. Dysbiosis or imbalance in gut flora negatively impacts weight management. Specific herbs nurture a healthy microbiome. Probiotic-rich herbs. Herbs that contain prebiotics feed beneficial bacteria in the gut. Such probiotic-rich herbs include ginger, contains the prebiotic gingerol that enhances beneficial gut flora like bifidobacteria and lactobacilli. This supports immunity and weight regulation. Turmeric. Curcumin in turmeric acts as a prebiotic by promoting the growth of healthy gut bacteria. This improves digestion and metabolic health. Peppermint. Menthol in peppermint improves the composition of the gut microbiota. It also soothes digestion by relaxing gastrointestinal muscles. Via their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects, these herbs create an optimal environment for friendly bacteria to flourish. A diverse, well-balanced microbiome boosts satiety signals and metabolic function. Customizing herbal approaches for gut issues. Determine if you have any issues like food sensitivities, IBS, or leaky gut syndrome. Specific herbs that heal the gut lining include marshmallow root, slippery elm, and licorice root. Tailor your herbal strategy to rectify underlying gut imbalances and support long-term weight loss. Nurturing your weight loss journey with herbal wisdom. As we navigate the labyrinth of weight loss strategies, embracing the wisdom of herbal allies can offer a holistic and sustainable path. Nature's bounty provides solutions for every health state, allowing us to address metabolism, appetite, hormones, and gut health with targeted herbal interventions. Remember, the key lies not only in shedding pounds, but also in fostering overall well-being. Each individual has unique needs and barriers to weight loss. With an integrative approach that combines personalized herbs, lifestyle modification, and dietary strategies, we can unlock our body's true potential for wellness and healthy weight management.
That was great. Thank you for being with me and Janet today. To all our viewers, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Our newsletter is also packed with special offers and exclusive content directly to your inbox. See you on our next vlog.